The best way to do okpa Enugu is what I'm going to teach you today. If you have been doing your okpa and it has not been coming out well, watch this video to the end so that you know where you're making mistake and start to correct yourself. Okpa is a proteinous food which is very easy to make. It doesn't require much thing. You just like 3 ingredients, you are done making your okpa. It's not that expensive. So watch as I do it. First of all, I'm going to measure out my okpa. So today I'm going to measure just 2 cups of okpa because I am the only one eating this okpa. I'm not going to make much. Alright, so when you measure your okpa in a bowl, I just ground this okpa yesterday. I've not sieved it. Remember, the most important thing in your okpa making is that sieving. Some people, when they grind it in the engine, they sieve it there. But in a place where they don't do that, please do not forget to sieve your okpa. Watch as I'm sieving it. I use this particular sieve to sieve it, but at a point I noticed the thing was not being fast. Okay, it was not being fast because this thing has 2 layers, so I have to switch to this particular net. This net is that particular net they use to sieve akamu. That is what I switched to, and it gave me what I want. When you are sieving it and the chaff starts to look brown, you know that everything has removed. Just dispose the chaff and put another one. That is how you will continue till you are done sieving your okpa. After that, I set it aside. Now I'm preparing my ingredient, which is pepper. Pepper is the main thing in this. I love eating pepper. I love my food to be a bit spicy. Then the next thing I'm going to do, please mix warm water. After boiling your water, add cold water to it to form warm water. I added a little mix it before I now add my palm oil. Okay, just add a little of that warm water, turn it, then add your oil. Everything will mix so fast. Try this method. This is the main purpose of making this video. See this part I just did now. Try your own like some people used to put oil on a dry okpa and start to make it. That one takes time. Do it like this. Put warm water, turn your okpa. Just small warm water, turn your okpa, put oil. You see the way everything mixed. This thing I did, I did not cut anything. This is exactly how I did. I did not cut off any part, so it was so easy. When I put that water, turn it and put my everything just mixed together. So please take note of this part and do your own like that. In just few minutes you are done making your okpa. Okay, so now I started adjusting. I started adding my water. You know, okpa mixture used to be very light. It's not like more that I used to take. It used to be very light. So keep adding your water to get the consistency that you like. Okay, so now I think the consistency is okay. I'm going to add a little more water. I added another water to it. Just keep adding, keep turning. So now what happened is that as I was recording this, my phone was overheating, so it wasn't recording. But the thing is that after that, make sure add your pepper, add your salt, then tie it. But before then, make sure that you have your boiling water already in your pot, enough water already boiling. So after tying your okpa like this, you put it inside. So at this point the okpa is done. I'm so sorry my camera couldn't capture everything because my phone was overheating without me knowing, so that part cut off. So are you seeing the okpa? Very delicious, just looking like the one you can buy from outside. So try your okpa this way and you will not regret it. Some people after making okpa see siege, or some people take so much time trying to make the consistency to be steady, to be the same. So this is my okpa. Voila. So you can actually take this in with your mineral, you can take it with your juice, you can take it with your akamu, you can take it with your custard, with your gari, anything at all. This is very rich delicacy. You can use it for your morning food as breakfast, or can use it for night. Most people take this when they are traveling. You must have been seeing it on the road when you are traveling, especially when you are traveling to eastern part of Nigeria. You will see it as snack. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me see if you are going to try it. Bye.